We'll now sharpen a corner radius on a standard end mill. Set the motor spindle clearance angle to the primary first grind clearance angle, which corresponds with your end mill's diameter. Insert the center finder in the pivot hole of the fixture. Using the machine's X and Y handles, maneuver the fixture so that the corner center finder touches the wheel. Now dial away from the wheel using the machine's Y-axis handle, the same distance as the corner radius that you desire to grind. Example, if you want to put a 65 thousandths corner radius on the end mill, dial 65 thousandths back from the wheel. After removing the center finder, do not move the machine's Y-axis handle again. Insert the end mill in the collet with the flutes parallel to the table and index pin engaged in the proper slot, which corresponds to the number of flutes. Use the radius attachment cross-slide Y-axis handle to touch the OD of the end mill to the grinding wheel. Do not touch the radius attachment Y-axis handle again. Back the fixture away from the wheel using the radius attachment's X handle until you can swivel the fixture 90 degrees without hitting the wheel. Now turn the motor on. Swivel the fixture 90 degrees until it hits the stop pin. Using the machine's X-axis handle, maneuver the fixture so that the right corner of the wheel is in front of the flute on your right-hand side. Your initial contact point on the wheel will be the size of the radius, away from the OD of the end mill on the face. In other words, if your radius is 100 thousandths, your initial contact will be on the face of your right flute 100 thousandths from the OD. Feed towards the wheel using the radius attachment X handle. When you are close to the wheel, begin swinging the fixture until you begin to make contact. Once contact is made, swivel the fixture completely around until the radius blends into the OD. Once it blends in, stop grinding that flute. Note your reading on the radius attachment's X handle and back away from the wheel 1 or 2 revolutions. Index the next flute and repeat the procedure.